Hey, Jamie from Fuel Moto here today. Going to explain how to install the tunable inserts in a few different mufflers we got disassembled here. The first one I'm going to show you is going to be the Rinehart muffler. This is going to be any of their newest mufflers that have a 2.5 inch baffle. A lot of their mufflers have the 2.5 inch baffle. Milwaukee, some of the twin cams. You're going to want to measure this baffle. You want to measure the OD of the baffle, be 2.5 inch. Our 6-inch exhaust insert is going to fit inside that baffle, and there's a couple different ways you can install these. I went ahead and disassembled the Rinehart muffler by taking the bolts out of the end cap, which will then pull off. You can then slide the baffle right off, and then in this baffle you'll go ahead and install the insert. You go a couple inches in and you can drill a pilot hole right there and retain the baffle insert. Go ahead and reassemble and you're all set. Now there's another really easy way on most 2.5 inch baffles that you can install the 6-inch insert, and I'm going to show you on this MK45, which is a good example because they don't come apart quite as easy as the Rineharts and some of the other mufflers do. What you can do is you can take the 6-inch insert and get a 1/4 by 1/2 inch bolt and a lock washer and go from the inside. And what you can do is you can then just go ahead and slide that insert in. Now this is going to work on a lot of the mufflers that have a body cap or a billet end cap, or where it has some structure to the back of the baffle where you can do this. And once you get it in there, you'll just go ahead and tighten that retaining bolt all the way until it stops on the lock washer. And that is going to secure that 2.5 inch insert in place in the muffler, just as good as the retaining bolt. Very easy there. The MK45 comes apart just like the Rinehart. If you choose to disassemble it to put the insert in, it has a couple of retaining screws on the muffler body. Remove those, end cap comes off, and you can access the baffle. The other one I'm going to show you is our Jackpot, our 12-inch insert. This is going to fit any of our high roller mufflers, the Fuel Moto Jackpot, the Outlaw mufflers, also fits the S&S Grand Nationals, their slash cuts, and some of the other mufflers that have the 3-bolt pattern in the back. This one's really easy. All you have to do is take the 3 screws out of the end cap, remove the insert that's in there, put the new insert in place, put it back together, and all this. If this is like an Outlaw muffler that doesn't have an end cap, this is what you're going to be looking at in the back of the baffle. Just simply remove the 3 screws, pull the insert out, put the new insert in, put the 3 screws in, you're all set. So that's a couple of easy ways on installing the inserts. If you have any questions, give us a call or check us out at fuelmotousa.com.